Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and today we are out at Area 15 in Las Vegas. This is a quick Lyft or Uber ride from the Strip. It's a must-do if you come to Vegas. We're looking at Liftoff right there. That's a ride that we'll show you at the end of this video. But right now we're going to look at some of the free activities outside of Area 15. In fact, it's free for anyone to go into Area 15, and then you can kind of add activities a la carte. It is mind-blowing. It is crazy. I'm going to try and do my very best to explain it to you, but we're going to walk in right now and show you what this place is all about. I'm going to let you visually just enjoy all of this and soak it in. This video does not even include a fraction of what you will see here, but I just wanted to visually give you a look. So I will try not to speak too often and let you just kind of take all this in so you can see what this is all about, because it is mind-blowing. It's endless, and you could literally spend hours and hours here. So I will just let you take it all in, and I'll fill you in on the details when I feel like I need to, but otherwise just enjoy. This is Area 15 in Las Vegas. Okay guys, so that was Wink World. As I said, you can add these items a la carte, but I highly recommend the experience passes, because those passes happen during specific times of each day, and they include lots of activities. And the one thing that most people come here to see is Omega Mart, and the experience pass that we have for tonight includes that. So we're gonna come in here to this thing that looks just like a grocery store that you've probably heard about. If you haven't, it's mind-blowing, it's crazy. I'm not even gonna try to explain it to you, but in my opinion, it is a must-do. You will wander for hours and you still won't even know what happened, but I highly recommend finding some information out about this and coming to visit, because this is what everyone comes to see, the Omega Mart here at Area 15. It is mind-blowing. And so we will give you a look around the scenes. This video I'm about to show you doesn't have any real spoilers. It just kind of shows you a fraction of what's happening. Everywhere you turn here, there is something, and it is endless. And honestly, again, I'm not showing you a fraction of what happens. once you step behind these grocery store walls. So with that being said, we are going to take you in and show you around, and you can take a look at just some of the craziness that happens in Omega Mart. So come with us and take a look. It's crazy, I'm telling you.
Congratulations. You are the employee of the moment.
Okay, show us how it works.
Embracing all beings, their causes and struggles, while gently massaging your pain-filled knuckles.
I don't know what that means. Sandro has a lot of legal knowledge though.
Whoa, look at that. It changes.
Oh, it doesn't do anything with it?
Yeah. Oh, you just got morphed. Okay, so I told you that was crazy, right? And that, I promise you, is just a fraction. So we're coming back out into Omega Mart grocery store right now. Trust me on this. This is a must-do if you come to Vegas. Teenagers, kids, everyone loves this. There's so much you can do. There's a backstory. There's a mystery you can try to solve. And it's endless. The clues and the detective work that you can do and everything that happens here I don't know who came up with this place, but it is mind-blowing. They are some of the most creative people on the planet. That's all I can say. Amazing. Add this to your Vegas bucket list. So that being said, we're going to show you a few other favorite things. As part of the night mode experience pass that we were on, they include a free drink at Oddwood, which is the bar here inside Area 15. I wanted to mention too that for us that included mocktails for the kids, and their mocktails were actually really, really good. So anyway, everybody can kind of enjoy the vibe here. They do have a really nice bar, and then all kinds of surrounding areas, restaurants, different things. Look at this drink. So fun. Everything about this place is fun and funky, and you just soak it all in. It's crazy. All right, guys, and the last thing that I want to mention is a must-do if you get to Las Vegas and you get out to Area 15 is Liftoff. Now, this is the big tower ride that I showed you at the beginning of the video. When we first got here, it sits right outside of the Area 15 building, and this is basically a big ride that slowly takes you up to an incredible view above Area 15 and the city of Las Vegas. Now, we did this in the evening, and I highly recommend that because the weather was fantastic, the lights were fantastic, and as you can see, it just gives you these incredible views above the area. And you can also see just how close this is to the Strip. It's just so neat to come up here. It's relaxing to just look out over the city. It was a great way to end the evening. Just a beautiful look at Las Vegas and a really unique, cool experience. So highly, highly recommend this. Okay, guys, there you go. There is a look at Area 15 and our time here. We hope that you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your views and you taking the time to watch our videos. I will leave all the information and details about Area 15 down below. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com.